Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again. So, can you all guess that which topic I am going to explain you all today? Can you all guess? So, today's topic is how a new plant grow from stems. This topic is very interesting. So, let's start today's topic. We all know that various types of natural and artificial methods are used to grow plants from stems, and some of them I am going to tell you all. So let's begin. Guys, first I will explain you underground stems. So let's start. Underground stems. Some plants have stems under the ground. These stems are known as underground stems. These stems are known as underground stems. The examples of underground stems are potato, ginger, and onion. These are the examples of underground stems. These plants have small buds on them. These plants have small buds on them. The buds meaning I have explained in my previous video. You can check it out in my last video. But the buds meaning in the potato means eyes. Buds meaning in the potato means eyes. Any portion of the potato with an eye can grow into a new plant. Okay? Any portion of potato with an eye can grow into a new plant. Okay? So, potato, ginger and onion are the examples of underground stems, and this topic finishes here only. Guys, our next point is grafting. Now I will explain you all grafting. So let's start grafting. In plants such as rose, mango and apple, a portion of a shoot is cut and then attached to the shoot of another plant. Here the shoot is cutted and then attached to another plant. You can see. This is the cutted. Here it cuts and here it attached. Okay. The part of the stem that is cut is called scion. This is the part of stem that is cut known as a scion, and this is the part that is not cut known as stalk. The plant that is cutted is known as scion and the plant that is not cut is known as stalk. And this whole method is known as grafting. Okay, this whole method is known as grafting. So guys, our third and the last topic is layering. Third and the last topic is layering. So let's start layering. So in plants such as jasmine and raspberry, a branch of the plant is bent until it touches the ground. This branch is bent, you can see, and it is in the soil. A little part of this branch is in the soil. A portion of it is covered with the soil, you can see, leaving the growing tip exposed. This is here the leaves are growing, so it is not under the ground. Okay, the portion develops with soil root after a few days. Here the roots are developing, you can see. Here the roots are developing. After a few days, when this was bent, after a few days here the roots are developing. Okay, it is then cut from the parent plant. This is the parent plant and this is baby plant, you can see. This is parent plant and this is baby plant. When it is forming root, it is cut from the parent part and it is known as then it is known as an independent plant. Then it is known as an independent plant, and this method is called layering. This method is called layering. Now guys, I will show you all the three diagrams. Okay, so this is underground stems, this is layering, and this is grafting. Okay, Now I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.